Today's topic is what is managing backups and disaster recovery. Hey guys, I am Sui Mavi from IT Professional YouTube channel. I create daily awesome video for IT professional. Please like my video and subscribe my channel for latest update. Managing backups and disaster recovery is a critical responsibility of IT support professionals. Backups are copies of important data that can be used to restore the system in case of data loss, while disaster recovery is the process of restoring normal system operations after a disaster or disruption. IT support professionals are responsible for creating and maintaining backup copies of important data, such as documents, emails, and databases, to ensure that it can be restored in case of data loss. This can include tasks such as setting up and configuring backup software. IT support professionals will install and configure backup software and schedule regular backups to run automatically. Managing and maintaining backup storage. IT support professionals will manage and maintain backup storage devices such as external hard drives and cloud-based storage to ensure that backups are properly stored and protected. Testing backups. IT support professionals will regularly test backups to ensure that they can be successfully restored. IT support professionals also need to create and maintain disaster recovery plans, which outline the steps to be taken in case of a disaster or disruption to normal system operations. This can include tasks such as identifying critical systems and data. IT support professionals will identify the systems and data that are critical to the organization's operations and prioritize them for recovery. Establishing recovery procedures. IT support professionals will establish procedures to restore systems and data in case of disaster and ensure that they can be executed quickly and effectively. Testing disaster recovery plans. IT support professionals will regularly test disaster recovery plans to ensure that they are effective and up to date. Overall, the goal of managing backups and disaster recovery is to ensure that important data is protected and that normal system operations can be quickly restored in case of a disaster or disruption.